A visit to Delhi is incomplete without talking about Chandni Chowk, its history, its culture, and of course, its food. Let's take a trip to the famous Paranthe Wali Gali, known for variety of Indian stuffed flatbread, commonly known as parathas. The place originally called Chota Dariba and was established by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Authentic taste, mouth-watering flavors, earned by age-old recipes and tradition. Makes this stingy street a must-visit place for all the tourists travelling in and around Chandni Chowk. Shops here are being run by the sixth generation of the original owners, who are keeping the legacy of unbeatable taste by giving vast range of parathas. Preparation of these parathas are done by hand-picked spices and served with tamarind banana chutney, paneer potato curry, mashed sweet pumpkin along with pickle. So next time when you're planning a visit to Delhi, don't forget to take a small tour of this Paranthe Wali Gali.